Welcome, today in front of me HUAWEI Y5p, and I'll show you how to change apps permissions on this device. So first you should go into the settings application and then tap here to the apps section. Here you'll see the permission manager. Click here, and now we can select, for example, the location applications, and here, for example, we will use the camera application. So tap here, and as can you see, we have now here location access for our camera app, and we can switch the deny to the allow while we'll use the application, or allow the permissions all of the time. And when just go back, and you can see here that allowed, we got here a new section was allowed all the time, and here are all the denied location permissions in these applications. And then you just can select just another application, for example the music. Click here to allow only while in use, and here you can see the next section what they denied, allowed only while in using, and allowed all the time. So that's it. Thank you for watching, and if you find this video helpful, don't forget to leave a like, comment, and to subscribe our channel.